nutrition consultant. I am from grassfedgirl.com, and today we're going to be making salmon 3 ways. It's going to be really fun, and we're going to use this canned salmon, and we're also going to use frozen salmon. I use this salmon from Aldi. You can get wild salmon frozen at Aldi, and that's a great way to save money, to buy frozen salmon. Always avoid Atlantic salmon because it's got more contaminants. It's farmed. Farm fish is fed grains, which skews the omega-3 to omega-6 ratio. So you do not want to get farmed Atlantic salmon. I would try to get wild at all times, wild caught. And any kind you like is fine. It's all good. And this was probably about $8 or $9 at Aldi. So that is my go-to. You can also find it at Walmart, Publix, whatever. So we're going to cook salmon in the oven, as well as salmon salad, and also poached salmon. So 3 ways to cook salmon to make your carnivore diet more interesting. And we all know that salmon is high in omega-3s, and it also has selenium and zinc, which are great for thyroid function. So come on with me and watch all 3 ways to eat salmon. Please subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. I'm a stay-at-home mom, and it really helps me out when you share. You can also use my links. One of my favorite products is this Relight electrolyte drink, and you can get it down below, and you can save with the code GrassFedGirl. So just use my link and use my code, and you will save on your first order. This is my very most favorite electrolyte drink, and it is so, so yummy. So you can get it down in the description box. All right, let's get started. This is the salmon that I'm using. It's from Aldi. I think this is about maybe 10 bucks, less, a little less probably. It is 2 pounds of salmon. So it comes like this in these little packets, and you just have to cut it open. Now it's important to dry it off. Whatever you're gonna do with salmon, you wanna dry it off. Put some salt on each piece and butter on each piece, and I'm going to bake it for about 10 minutes on 350. Okay, so here's the salmon out of the oven. Looks pretty good. All that butter melted, and let's see what it looks like on the inside. It's cooked pretty well. So this is just good for having something ready to go. You can just keep it in the freezer. You can eat it hot or cold. And it's just nice and warm, filling meal. The next thing you can do with salmon is poach it. You put some salt and some vinegar in some water. And then just bring it to a boil. Put some salt on your fish while you're waiting. Just cover it and wait for it to come to a boil. It's starting to come up. So let's put our salmon in. Okay, so we're gonna cook that. We're gonna let that cook for about 5 minutes uncovered. Okay, so it's cooked about 5 minutes. Let's cut into it and see how it looks. It looks done. So if you let this cool down, it'll be a really nice breakfast for someone. You could serve it with eggs or hollandaise, and I know it doesn't look like much now, but once it's cooled, it'll be really nice. The way that I make salmon is to put the salmon, this is a can from Costco, it's wild salmon, and I put avocado mayonnaise. This is more of a ketovore recipe, but you put your keto mayo, your classic avocado mayo, and I put a little bit of mustard. So, and then I just mix all that together. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Okay, well, thanks for watching. I hope you like the 3 ways to make salmon. It's super nutritious. I ate salmon all the way through my pregnancy, and now we eat it about once a week. So it's definitely an affordable and nutrient-dense meal. Please like, share this video, and subscribe. If you want to get my carnivore ebook, you can get it in the link in the description, or go to carnivore30.info. It's a 30-day guide to getting started on the carnivore diet, and it will tell you everything you need to know and all the nuances to make it more effective. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.